berries. I'm Peter. Got a double dram blind. 2 whiskeys. Don't know what they are. I'm going to let you know what I think, which one I would like to buy again, and what I would want to pay for them. So let's get into it. Class A. Ooh, ooh. Man, that's really sweet, tasty. Huh, these just are sweet. Sweet and fruity. All right, let's see. Class A. Lots of baking spices. That spice lingers. Let's see. Ooh. Now we're talking. Yeah. This is the winner. The sweet caramelly spice, man. It's viscous. That's good. Without question, this is a winner. Hands down. That spice is just going and going. I feel like that's spice from rye, not from oak. Man, that's tasty and oily. I really like that. This one, what would I want to pay for it? I don't know, 45 bucks maybe. 40 bucks. Next to this one. This one. I would like to pay 75 to 80 bucks for that. That just so much flavor. All right, let's see. What was Glass A? The one that lost. Where were these? What? Maker's Mark 101? What in the world? I don't know what to tell you guys. What in the world? I'm afraid to know what this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, Rebel 10 year. 2 liters. So this, I paid 40 bucks for it. I paid 100 bucks for this. This is twice the whiskey as that. Like, without question, this is... How in the world am I getting right? Like, even knowing that these are wheaters, the spice from them tastes like rye spice. Bizarre. Wow. I don't know. That's weird. Yeah. Okay, well, there you go. I said, what, 45 bucks roughly for this, I think. It's about what it costs. This, I don't think it's $100 whiskey. If I could get it for 75 bucks, I'd probably buy another bottle. All right, until next time.